I'm Duane Jury from Nyabing, Western Australia. I farm here with my wife Leanne and my brother Mick. We have the 6,000 hectares here. We're 100% crop. We crop wheat, lupins, beans, canola. That's about it. So there's a fair bit of history here, yeah. We've been here about 80 years now, 85 years I think. My grandfather was a ratter to brook and my father cleared a lot of the place and we're here now. My great-grandfather was here. We've been no-till farming for 30 odd years now. We've got no stock, so we've been using different mechanisms to try and control our grass, but we've come to a point now where ryegrass is a big issue. And I can't seem to control it well enough and I'm just pouring more and more chemical on. I need something else in the toolbox to try and kill these weeds, and I just think something like this, like the old hammer, we just can't keep using the chemicals that we're using. We've done resistance testing on ryegrass, radish and turnip, but radish and turnip is not such a problem. It's more the ryegrass, and yeah, we've got some resistance to most of the groups. So yeah, we're trying to combat that by growing canola and lupins and faba beans and stuff like that, but it's an ongoing issue, and it's just this thing here is just something else that I've been really waiting for. No matter what system you use, it's going to slow you down or it's going to increase your workload. If you want to windrow and burn, well then you've got to come back and do that later on in the year. If you want to tow shaft cart, well that's more work as well. So this does slow us down a smidge, but really not too much. I'm running two S680s, John Deere's. This thing is using about 15 litres of fuel per hour more than the other machine. We run it through every crop that we grow and it's never stopped me. The John Deere side of it has stopped me, but not the Seed Terminator. There's not too many negatives at the moment. It uses a lot of horsepower. It's making the machine work hard. It's hard on belts. It's using fuel, but there's a compromise there somewhere. And if for every patch of ryegrass that I'm going through, I'm killing ryegrass in my cereal phase of my crop, well, I'm ahead. I mean, I could just grow wheat and barley here and just build up resistance and try and make a quick buck, but we're here for the long term and it's all a numbers game. This is not going to get rid of all of the resistant ryegrass because ryegrass will lay down and it will adapt to whatever we are doing. So ryegrass is very adaptive. So this is just something else to help us get further down the track and grow some good crops and make some money hopefully. What I'm wanting this to do for me is to get my chemical bill down. I've got two headers, I want to get two terminators going and I want to put everything that I grow through them. Obviously the less seeds, less resistance. That's what I'm aiming for, to get my chemical bill down. Every farm's different, every situation's different. Some people run stock, some people don't run stock. I don't care about what comes out of the back of the machine for animals. I want it all smashed up to bits. For me, it's the perfect fit.